Hey everyone, and welcome back to the TackleShare YouTube channel. Today's craft is great for anybody who loves a good puzzle. We'll use simple things that you can find around your house to create your very own puzzle. So let's get started. Alright, so to create your puzzle, you'll need a pencil, a permanent marker, you'll need some tongue depressors, and I've got 6 of them here. You could use popsicle sticks, but I find that these tongue depressors are just a little bit wider to help make my puzzle a little bit bigger. You'll need some masking tape. I've just got a scrap piece of paper here because I am a messy painter. You'll need some paintbrushes and some craft paints. All right, so to begin, I'm going to take the tongue depressors and arrange them all so that the ends line up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To hold them in place, I'm going to use some tape. Now I've got some masking tape here because it should lift off very easily once we're done, but you can use any other tape that you can find. I'm gonna lay this piece across here diagonally to hold them all into place so that when you flip it over, all the pieces should be together. Next, I'm going to draw my design on with a pencil. I'm going to start my drawing about 1.5 centimeters from the edge of the tongue depressors because to practice our numbers, we're going to end up writing numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll make sure to leave enough space for that. And while it doesn't matter what you draw on your tongue depressors, just make sure that each tongue depressor has some part of the picture. Next, I'm going to paint. And now let it dry. Okay, and once the paint has dried, I've applied it fairly thin just so it dried quickly. You can go around the outside of the details with a permanent marker just to make them pop. Now I've found that if I put the permanent marker line just right at the edge of the paint versus right on the wood of the tongue depressor, it's less likely to bleed. Okay, and to help practice our numbers, I'm going to number each of the tongue depressors. The next thing you'll do is remove the piece of tape from the reverse side of the tongue depressors. And then you are ready to try your puzzle. And once you finish creating your puzzle or a few different puzzles, take a photo, we'd love to see it. Post it on social media and tag us at TackleShare. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the TackleShare YouTube channel to keep more fishing content coming your way. See you next time.